Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video of a board that I just made another video about the power connector and the board being totally dead and not coming up. This is that same power connector that I had in the other video. I will link to it. And all I did was clean up mechanically with a sharp edge sharp knife. I just cleaned up all the rust, and it wasn't rust, it was a result of arcing. I don't know how exactly it's called, but that was the reason why the board was not coming up when it was here. I just cleaned it up, put it back together, soldered it carefully. I will show you back of the board in a sec. And right now I am going to power it on, press the button, and there you go. HDMI. Let me see if I press here, it will pull up the menu, and there you go. Menu and that. So let me see if I can shut it off nicely. That will be difficult from the menu because I don't know. Oh, there you go. So press, and no, that's up. Press and down. I always confuse up and down on those jogs. Whether I'm in front of the monitor or on the back doesn't really matter. Okay, finally turn it off. What I want to do is just want to show the customers and you that is the same board that I made the previous video for. There you go. Okay, the numbers are there. That is the board, and this is where, let me see, yeah, this is where I haven't cleaned up that yet. I will clean it when I get the board off. Oh, come on, focus. Okay, there you go. So this is where the connector was made. Again, all the piece that I showed you in the other video was mechanically cleaned, put back in this socket, and it just works stably now. I guess when you plug in the cable, just secure it and make sure it doesn't shake. You don't pull it, it's not under constant pressure. Though, from what I saw, I am not sure that this is really a mechanical thing outside. It was really strange. I was thinking that it will be something like a 3 handle inside, or maybe one plug pointing in one way with more metal. This, to me, wasn't a very good quality connector. I will try to find better ones, but again, if it has done it on one place, it will probably do it in others. Thank you and best of luck.